Welcome back to another episode of No Lift Garage.
Oh, snap.
I'm Gartrell.
I'm Christian.
I'm William.
And today, we're installing an Invidia catback exhaust.
R400.
R400 for specificity, because I can't speak, and Will's car today. Got a brand new 2020 WRX, looking very good. And we're gonna see how this thing sounds. Now, sadly, we're probably not gonna be able to do a comparison because we already started taking the exhaust apart, but we'll definitely add in some sound clips of the car once it is finished. So far, already got out the rear mufflers and exhaust tips. It's a two 14mm bolts, two on each end of the mid pipe, and two hangers.
Alright guys, so we're underneath the WRX, right? It functions the same on the STI if it's the newer chassis. So you can see right here, if the camera would focus. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There you go. So now you can see it. This hanger and this hanger, right? Well, when the muffler's on, get the top hanger off first. Then do the bottom. If you do it that way, it'll be really easy. If you do it the opposite, which means doing the bottom first and then the top, it'll take you a lot longer. But yeah, now it's time to take off the two bolts that are way up there. And then that's it for the catback.
All right. Probably be done very shortly. You excited?
Yes, I am.
This sounds so much better.
I think so too. All right.
Oh my god.
Look at the shit on your face. It's like you went through hell.
It happens. You're underneath the car, you live in NYC where they're constantly paving roads, shit accumulates underneath it.
So you got the exhaust out. Time to put the new one in.
Step one, so.
Mid pipe.
Oops. I'd probably say that we're at least shaving 10 pounds each, just in mufflers alone. So not only are you gonna get all the cool sounds that you want, but there's also weight savings too.
And a slight horsepower gain.
The best part, this is one of those drivability mods, sort of, because you get to actually hear your car, so you can hear when the car's about to die, when you're letting out the clutch, etc., etc. But anyway, keep it simple. One up top. This is the second one. So putting it in, same deal. We're gonna put the top one on first, and then the second one, and then bolt it up. But like Gartrell said, we're gonna do the mid pipe first.
All right. We'll update you when it's all together. Yep. So we just finished putting in the Invidia catback exhaust
on a WRX FA motor.
Yep.
Gonna do the first startup, first cold start.
All right. You ready? Shoot button. Sounds good. Yeah?
Nice, so we're not gonna notice that much of a difference now. The biggest difference you're gonna notice is when you're getting on it.
Right. Give it a rev. It's gonna kill us. Sounds a lot better than stock.
Nice.
Satisfied?
Yes. A lot better.
All right.
You smell that? That's the smell of an exhaust. Oh yeah.
All right. So from Gartrell, Chris, and Will, have a great one. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that bell because we got plenty more content with all of the cars that you see and some that you haven't seen yet. Stay tuned. You'll see what happens next.
All right, later, guys.